Welcome to Learn and Teach American English with Maestro Sersea Podcast. Our educational podcast is designed for adult learners who are new to the United States. It covers numerous essential topics, real situations you will encounter in daily American life. Each episode is organized into 3 sections. Section 1, Key Vocabulary. 10 important words and phrases related to the topic, each with a clear definition and an example sentence showing how it is used in context. Section 2, Dialogue. A realistic conversation between 2 or more people in a real-life situation. Pay attention to the phrases used and the polite, direct communication style common in the United States. Section 3, Article. An informational article that gives you deeper knowledge about the topic. After listening, try to summarize the main ideas in your own words. Suggested study approach for best results, study 1 episode per session. First, review the vocabulary. Second, listen to the dialogue. Third, listen to the article. Then, review the episode 1 more time to reinforce what you have learned. This podcast covers transportation, finance, health, education, employment, daily life, housing, safety, community resources, civic life, and a variety of other helpful topics, the areas of American life where strong English skills matter most. Okay, are you ready to begin? Let's get started.
Applying for a job. Resumes, online applications, interviews, and follow-up in American English. Section 1. Key Vocabulary. Study these 10 words and phrases. They will help you in this situation. 1. Resume. A 1-page document listing your education, work experience, and skills, given to employers when applying for a job. Example. I updated my resume to include my most recent job and my computer skills. 2. Cover letter. A short letter you send with your resume explaining why you want the job and why you are qualified. Example. My cover letter explained how my 5 years of customer service experience prepared me for this position. 3. References. People, usually former bosses or coworkers, who can confirm your work skills and character. Example. The employer asked for 3 references, so I called my former supervisors to get permission. 4. Background check. A review of a person's criminal history, employment history, and sometimes credit history. Example. After the interview, the company asked me to sign a form authorizing a background check. 5. W-4 form. A tax form you fill out when you start a new job to tell your employer how much tax to withhold from your paycheck. Example: on my first day, HR asked me to complete a W-4 form and direct deposit information. 6. Probationary period. A trial period at the start of a new job, usually 30 to 90 days, during which the employer evaluates your performance. Example: after my 90-day probationary period, I was offered a permanent position with benefits. 7. Benefits. Non-salary compensation such as health insurance, paid vacation, and retirement savings. Example: this job offers excellent benefits, including dental insurance and 2 weeks of paid vacation. 8. Interview. A formal meeting where an employer asks questions to decide if you are the right person for the job. Example: I practiced common interview questions with my friend before the meeting. 9. Job posting. An announcement that a company has a job opening and is looking for applicants. Example: I found the job posting on Indeed and applied online the same day. 10. Offer letter. An official document from an employer stating that they want to hire you and the details of the position. Example: I was thrilled when I received the offer letter. It showed my salary and start date. Section 2. Dialogue. A job interview. Manager: thank you for coming in today. Please have a seat. Can you start by telling me a little about yourself? David: of course. I have 5 years of experience in customer service, most recently working at a retail store in my home country. I am hardworking, reliable, and I enjoy helping people. Manager: that's great. Why are you interested in this particular position? David: I noticed this company has a strong reputation for treating employees well, and I am looking for a stable position where I can grow. The responsibilities in the job posting match my skills closely. Manager: good answer. Can you tell me about a time you handled a difficult customer? David: yes. At my previous job, a customer was very upset because an item was out of stock. I listened carefully, apologized sincerely, and offered to order the item and have it delivered at no extra charge. The customer left satisfied. Manager: excellent. What are your strengths? David: I am very organized and punctual. I also communicate well with coworkers and I am always willing to help with extra tasks. Manager: and do you have any questions for me? David: yes. What does a typical workday look like for this position? And when would you like someone to start? Manager: You would start at 8 a.m., working with our morning team. We are hoping to fill the position within the next 2 weeks. David: That works perfectly for me. Thank you so much for your time. Section 3. Article: How to apply for a job in the United States. Finding a job in the United States involves several steps: searching for openings, preparing your documents, completing an application, interviewing, and following up. Understanding each step will help you feel confident throughout the process. Most jobs are posted online on websites such as Indeed, LinkedIn, and ZipRecruiter. You can also check a company's website directly. When you find a job you want, read the description carefully to make sure your experience matches the requirements. Your resume is your most important document. An American resume is typically 1 page long and lists your most recent job first. This is called reverse chronological order. Include your name and contact information, a short summary, your work experience, and your education. Be honest and specific. Instead of writing "good at computers," write "proficient in Microsoft Excel and Word." A cover letter is a short, professional letter addressed to the hiring manager. It should explain why you want this specific job and how your skills make you the best candidate. Keep it to 3 short paragraphs. During the interview, be on time, dress professionally, and speak clearly. Common questions include: tell me about yourself, what are your strengths and weaknesses, and why do you want to work here? Practice your answers beforehand. After the interview, send a thank you email within 24 hours. This small step sets you apart from other candidates and shows professionalism. If you do not hear back within a week, it is appropriate to send one polite follow-up email.
Thank you so much for listening to the Learn and Teach American English with Maestro Sersea Podcast. Today's episode is designed to help adult English learners communicate with confidence in real American situations. Here's what I'd like you to do before our next episode. Review today's vocabulary, practice the dialogue out loud, and listen again to the article, maybe even take notes. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe to our podcast and share it with a friend or colleague. Your support helps us reach more learners around the world. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.